In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert data in QuickBooks to Excel, a handy way to transfer your financial data into a format that is both widely used and easy to manipulate. Whether you're preparing for a reporting task or simply want to keep a copy of your records, this guide will provide you with the steps needed to efficiently export your data. To begin with, open your QuickBooks online account. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and click on the Sign In button located on the home page. Once you're signed in, you'll need to choose QuickBooks Online as your platform of choice. This will take you directly to your account dashboard where you can begin managing your data. Now that you're in your account, type in your credentials and hit continue to access your data securely. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu located in the top right corner of your screen. This is your gateway to various tools and options within QuickBooks. Keep an eye out for the option labeled Export Data. It's time to select it. This feature is crucial for moving data from QuickBooks to Excel, and fortunately it's simple and intuitive to use. Next, you'll want to click on Lists. Lists represent collections of your data that are organized in a structured format. Selecting this allows you to specify the kind of data you want to export. Focus on identifying the section labeled Customers. With a simple click, you'll direct QuickBooks to the area where your client's data is stored, an area that frequently requires transfer into Excel for various business analyses and processes. Finally, with all your preferences in place, click on Export to Excel. At this point, QuickBooks will immediately begin the conversion process. A spreadsheet file formatted for Excel will be downloaded to your device. You can now access, edit, and scrutinize your data within Excel. Exporting data from QuickBooks to Excel is an effective way to utilize your data in more complex financial analyses, or simply to have a backup in a portable, familiar format. By exporting lists such as customer data, you create opportunities for deeper insights and operational efficiencies within the Excel software environment. Remember, keeping your data organized and secure when moving between platforms not only enables a smoother workflow, but also helps in maintaining data integrity. So whether you're compiling end-of-year reports or simply want a personal record, exporting from QuickBooks to Excel is a crucial skill to have in your financial toolkit. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need to repeat the export process.